Die Wallabies put motivering daaruit dat hulle afgeskryf word voor hul toets teen die Springbokke in die rugby kampioenskap. Sy span het lelik slaag gekry in die Suncorp stadion toe die Bokke hul met 38-12 verslaan het.
Gut instinct here.
George, there is no clear reason.
Yes, I agree. I'm going to award a try.
Absolutely.
To release their outside men now. John de Villiers to Habena. Put some footwork on. He kicks ahead. Ryan Habena has been taken out. And it's advantage being played here for the Springboks. They've got numbers out to the right. De Villiers, the captain, is over for a try. And what a try. Springbok.
Mackenzie was in 1992 deel van die Wallabies span wat die Bokke met 26-3 op Nieuweland geklop het. Die statistiek blyk egter nie in Mackenzie se gunste tel nie. Die Bokke het 8 seges in 11 wedstryde sedert 1933 op die veld behaal. Maar, soos Siya Kolisi die week tereg gesê het,